Today at Crux, we are showcasing how to program the steering wheel controls for SWC learning radios using the SWRTY61N on a 2017 Toyota Tacoma with an ATOTO F7 SWC learning radio. Step 1. Identify the correct hardware. Only Crux interfaces modules with 8 DIP switches, like this one, can program steering wheel controls on SWC learning radios.
So before starting programming, you're going to need to hold one of the steering wheel control buttons, turn the key on, release the button. That'll put the interface into programming mode.
Step 2. To activate teaching mode, press and hold any steering wheel button. Step 3. While holding the steering wheel button, turn the ignition on. Release the button. The module is now in teaching mode. Enter the SWC learning mode in the aftermarket radio.
And once the radio boots up, you're going to go to the menu and go to the steering wheel control settings on the radio.
Step 4. Now, map each steering wheel button in the aftermarket radio's setup menu. Note, after the first button is programmed, you must wait for at least 5 seconds before proceeding to programming the second button, and so on. Step 6. Select Save and Exit in the aftermarket radio menu. Step 7. After programming is complete, turn the ignition key to the off position to save and lock the SWC settings on the aftermarket radio. Step 8. Start the car and test SWC. Now, after all the steps are completed, you will now have programmed your steering wheel control buttons to work with your aftermarket stereo. Subscribe to our channel and like this video or comment for more tutorials on Crux products.